times problems develop in nature, humans offer solutions. Sometimes that solution is worse than the original evil, and sometimes it works out. My name is Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 1, numbers 45 and 46, to see whether humans can help out here. Number 45 reads, "The passage most strongly suggests that beekeepers' attempts to fight mite infestation with commercially produced insecticides have what unintentional effect?" So we go to the line references. It's already marked out. Answer choice A, honeybees are host to pathogenic large ectoparasitic mite, Varroa destructor, Varromites. Looks like it's just telling us what kind of mite honeybees are exposed to, what kind of mites hurt them. And choice B, little is known about the natural defenses that keep the mite infestations under control. That's talking about natural defenses and how little we know. We're looking to see if the human solution is going to make things better or worse. Answer choice C, in addition, immunocompromised or nutritionally deficient bees may be further weakened when commercially produced insecticides are introduced into their hives by beekeepers in an effort to fight mite infestation. So in other words, the bees have mites. The beekeepers are like, hey, let's take care of these mites. So they put in commercially business-produced insecticides, man-made insecticides, introduced into the hives by the beekeepers. What happens? The bees may be further weakened. They may be hurt. So actually, answer choice C looks good. Well, look at what answer choice D is saying. Mites could then be introduced to each hive with a note made as to the choice of the bees and the effects of the mite parasites on the experimental colonies versus the control colonies. This looks like it's seeing whether the natural solution or the man-made solution helps. Number 45, to read it again, passage most strongly suggests beekeepers' attempts to fight mite infestation with commercially produced insecticides have which unintentional side effect? We already said that number 46 is C. Let's see what it matches. Answer choice A, they increase certain mite populations. Does not say the mite populations increased. They kill some beneficial forms of bacteria. It says that it could hurt the bees, but it doesn't say that they're killing beneficial forms of bacteria. Could be true, not mentioned there, so it's wrong. Answer choice C, they destroy bees' primary food source. It doesn't say anything about them destroying any primary food source. It must be D. They further harm the health of some bees. Yeah, the language there is said it's may. They may further, the immunocompromised or nutritionally deficient bees may be further weakened, so it's those bees. So 45 is D, 46 is C. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these paired types of questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments and I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.